Hey guys, so I'm currently going to the barn right now. You wonder why the camera's shaking and the car is actually shaking. So that's why this, and you know why? It's because there's actually a magnitude 2 earthquake going on, like 2.5 or something. And I can actually feel it because I'm very sensitive to earthquakes, but my brother can't. So yeah, it looks pretty fine. Though this looks pretty fine from a magnitude 2.5 earthquake. Look, they're rustling in the wind. And Hurricane Florence is actually hitting our home state. As you can see, a bunch of stormy clouds, 2.5 earthquake going on. That's why this camera is jittery. Look, a hurricane's already starting to hit our state. And we're currently riding to it. My mom has the radio on. And we are currently driving to the farm because my mom has a lesson.
But I'm not happy about the hurricane. Two Mustangs.
Yeah, but you can't be posting that stuff online.
Two Mustangs.
What? Why?
Because it's showing too much about where we live and stuff. You can't post that online. Capiche?
Yeah. I'm just gonna show them our car, like what the car, and
Don't show them the back, no.
see it's shaking. That means there's an earthquake going on. Look, there's a train crossing. See, look, we're just on a rocky road. Wait, I can feel it getting stronger. Look at the seat. It's shaking because of the earthquake. And the camera's jittery too, because of the earthquake. There's a bump. There was a bump on the road. Very jittery. Bunch of trees. There was a bump. Look at the horse. The horses don't feel it, but I do. Look at my leg, it's shaking.